Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress like Princess Merida from Disney Brave and Dress to Impress. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose this face and you're going to go to the hairstyle selection, and then we're going to select the curly hair, this hair from the World Culture Update, and then we're going to color it orange. Okay, I'm going to show you the color code. Okay, you can use this color code for the hair. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to the World Culture Clothing area. It's over here, and then I'm going to wear this dress. This one, and color it with this color, and also this color for the next selection. Okay, and I'm going to wear this top and color it the same, orange and this green. Okay, just like this guys. For the third selection, you can color it with this orange. And for the fourth selection, just color it the same. Alright, and then I'm going to put some accessories. I'm going to wear shoes first. Wait, let me go to this area, and I'm going to wear this heel. Okay, and then if you have VIP, you can use this item from the Valentine update. This one, this arrow. Okay guys, and that's all the way to dress like Princess Merida and Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.